Hello everyone, in this video we are going to solve question number 2 of exercise 4.3 and the question says you have to find the root of the quadratic equation given in question number 1. In your book the first question says you have to find the roots of the quadratic equation by completing the squares. Now the same questions you have to solve by applying quadratic formula, and the formula says if alpha and beta are the roots, means the value of x, so the value of alpha and beta must be minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We'll later discuss on what that means. Is first of all we have this equation and we have to find the roots of this equation. The standard form for any quadratic equation is basically ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So this is our standard quadratic equation, and we know that the coefficient of x square is basically a, which is 2. The coefficient of x, which is b, is basically minus 7, and the c, the third coefficient, or you can say the constant, is c, which is 3. So according to this equation, the value of a, b, c are 2, minus 7 and 3. Now we have to find the roots. So the first root, we are assuming that the first root be alpha, so the value of that root must be minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. This plus minus basically means the one root must be plus this much and the other root must be minus, means the other root which we are supposing as b must be minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now we can easily substitute the values of a, b, c in this formula and we would be able to find the roots of this particular equation. So the first root must be minus b, and according to us the value of b is minus 7 plus b square again is minus 7 whole square minus 4 into a is basically 2 and this value of c is basically 3 whole upon 2 and the value of a is again 2. Further solving it, plus minus minus is plus under root 7 square is 49. This is 4 2s are 8 into 3 is 24 upon 2 into 2 is 4. Now further solving it, this is 7 plus 49 minus 24 must be 25 upon 4, and we know that the value of root 25 is 5 upon 4, so the value must be 13 upon 4. So this is our first value, or you can say the first root for this particular equation. Similarly, you have to substitute the values of a, b, c in this equation and you would be able to find the root. Obviously the only difference between these two is the sign of this, so the other values will remain as it is, means we can solve from here. You can say in place of this plus we have minus, so 7 minus 5 is basically 2 upon 4. The value must be 1 upon 2. So this is our second root. I have done this is directly, I have skipped 3 steps. If you are not able to understand, what we have to do is you have to substitute this value in this equation, and as this has been solved, you have to clearly solve step by step, and at last, because here it is positive sign but here it is negative sign, so the other values should remain as it is, but in place of this positive, 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 I am writing negative. So in last, if I write negative here, 7 minus 5 is 2, so 2 upon would be 4, so which is 1 upon 2. So this is our second equation, second root. So this is how you can apply the quadratic equation to find the root for any quadratic equation. Thank you.